What's up, guys? It's Josh back. It's been a while since I've posted a video. Been working pretty late, long shifts, my job. But yeah, little project I've been working on here, just some scrap wood, a Roman candle rack, and as you can see, these ones have already been fired. My camera decided to not work the first time around, but just wanted to show you guys a design here. Just use some hose clamps, drilled them into a piece of scrap wood. It's going to be double-sided when I'm all finished with it here. It'll have two sides Roman candles, these large size here. Got a 2x3 base, some scrap wood there. I'm going to show you the demo we did on this when we fired these off, just to show you how they went. And the rack's really sturdy, holds up nice. Be using a couple of these in our show this year. Just wanted to share my little simple design with everybody and see what you thought. Roman candle rack. Straggler.